Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my blog channel. Well guys, I am still in Sonpur and I was just roaming here and there and I ended up coming to a very beautiful place. I really got drawn towards this place guys. If I can show you this place of Sonpur, see, you can see this bridge and you can see the river. This river is called Gandak River. You must have heard about it, Gandak River. So here, when you come here, look at the scene guys. It looks really very attractive. I'm going to show you through the back camera. See guys, see, you can see this bridge. This is the railway line. So this is the railway line and you can see this entire scene. Such a beautiful scene guys. Here you can see this is called Gandak River. Gandak River, and I am here at the river bank, and just this side you can see one more bridge. This bridge connects Sonpur to Hajipur, and I'm telling you it's very old bridge, made by those English people, British people. Earlier all the vehicles were going through this bridge, but these days you can see another bridge has been made, and that is there. See guys, can you see this? This is called bypass. So now some vehicles go by this road. So one bridge, this railway bridge, and this is the old bridge. So this is called Purana Pul, Purana Sonpur ka Pul, and the bypass one is called New Pul, and this is the railway line guys. So I'm going to show you this place. If you belong to Sonpur, you must have visited here several times. If you don't belong to Sonpur, so you can know that there is something which is quite attractive in Sonpur too. See guys, amazing. I am going downstairs. Wow, you can see this railing. So guys, see, now I am here. I can see the current in water. My God, quite deep. Beautiful place. Means कह सकते हैं कि you can get peace and tranquility here. If you come here, आप बैठिए, योगा कीजिए. I mean बहुत अच्छी जगह है. और मैं क्या बताऊं इसके बारे में, मुझे भी कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, बट चलिए किसी से बात करते हैं, पूछते हैं इस जगह के बारे में. मुझे बस इतना पता है कि ठीक है, ये गंडक रिवर है, ये ब्रिज है, बस इससे पता है. कुछ और जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो लेट्स आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस टू समवन so that we can get some good replies. Let's get started everyone. So guys, actually I'm going to talk to my wife regarding this. Thing is that उनके नानी का घर सोनपुर में ही है. Her maternal grandmother house is at Sonpur, so she used to come frequently here, so she knows so many things about this place. Okay, तो hi.
हेलो.
Okay, so let me ask you. इतना तो मुझे पता है कि ये गंडक नदी है. Okay, fine. और यहाँ आसपास कोई मंदिर भी है?
Yeah, there is Nolakha Mandir after.
Okay.
I mean, 1 kilometer maybe.
Okay, so after 1-2 kilometers there is Nolakha Mandir.
Then Hariharnath Mandir.
Okay. मतलब
Kali Ghat. So many temples are there.
ये जो हरिहर नाथ वगैरह ये सब they are on the bank of the river.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. और ये बहुत बड़ा है, काफ़ी ह्यूज नहीं?
Yeah.
काफ़ी बड़ा है.
So long you can see.
See guys, अब देखिए, my God, बहुत बड़ा है. And one more thing I can show you here, guys. Can you see some boxes over there? I've just noticed. Can you see some boxes? मतलब the boxes have been made in such a way like some people can come, sit there, have some meeting, do some yoga, pranayam, whatever. So ये boxes मैं आपको यहाँ से दिखाता हूँ, बड़े अच्छे boxes लग रहे हैं, यहीं से आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ guys. और if you talk about the sitting arrangement, it is fabulous. You can see the stairs, some boxes for safety purpose, railings. I can show you the boxes here. See, I'm talking about these boxes. See guys. See, one box and this second one, third, fourth, fifth. There's so many boxes. And if I go there and check, let me show you the boxes. Let me go close to it. And look at the stairs. No matter how many people come, they can sit on the stairs and see the view of this Gandak river. See guys, stairs. So if I talk about the box, wow. Hello doggy. So doggy is in the box. I can show you the box from here. See guys. So I have given it a name box. I don't know what is this and why it has been made. So you can see one doggy is sitting. It is dirty now, but I think people can sit here. They can stand here like this. Wow, and see the view from here. Beautiful. Look at the view from here. I'm standing. Could you hold the camera?
Yeah, sure.
See guys. Hi doggy. Why don't you go away? Okay, be here. So I'm standing here and from here the view is so beautiful. I think people can jog also here. नहीं jogging भी तो कर ही सकते हैं.
In the summer, people come in the morning to do exercise.
Yeah, exercise कर
And
सकते
take
हैं.
fresh air and yoga and pranayam. So many things
बहुत अच्छी
you can do
जगह
here.
है. मतलब I really like this place. बहुत अच्छी जगह है. Fishing भी कर सकते हैं. Fishing भी कर सकते हैं. Nice.
See the farming.
Okay.
Chappal break is
Yeah. Hey guys. Look at the sleeper.
from there you can.
Wow. Just floating.
Yeah. Earlier, हम
Which plant is this?
I don't know, but
Oh, it got wilted. This plant got wilted. Okay. अच्छा plant के लिए भी guys you can see the arrangement for plants also. So this one platform, one box is there for the plant. अच्छा यहाँ ये guys can you see here? देखिए यहाँ तक तो ये नया है, मतलब you can see this place and if you come this side यहाँ आते it is under construction. ये it's so long huh?
एक्चुअली अभी काम चल ही रहा है. ये करीब 2.5-3 किलोमीटर तक जो सोनपुर एक साइड से पूरा गंडक के किनारे बसा हुआ है.
Okay.
तो काफ़ी मतलब लंबा वहाँ से वहाँ तक पूरा घाट ऐसे बनाया गया है, लेकिन बीच में थोड़ा सा अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है.
Okay.
तो ये भी होपफुली कुछ महीनों में पूरा हो जाएगा.
Okay. अच्छा यहाँ you know railing is yet to be installed here. Can you see this? You can see the pillars, but there is no fence, no railing here. And guys, beside this bridge, which is under construction, you can see the huge orchard. And look at the mango tree. The huge mango tree is there. Quite massive, giant, gigantic. My God. और ये सब सरकारी होगा, सरकारी ज़मीन है?
नहीं
No?
सरकारी नहीं है.
Okay, it belongs to someone.
या
हाँ, प्राइवेट है. अरे वाह. मतलब किसी एक व्यक्ति का ये है?
नहीं और भी लोगों का है.
वहाँ तक ये घेरा हुआ है.
हाँ.
एक बच्ची का है. ये सब में घर है दोनों.
अच्छा, ये प्राइवेट है. ओके.
प्राइवेट नहीं, साधु का चीज है. पहले से इसको बाप दादा हौसले था.
अच्छा.
वो सब है.
ओके.
एक्चुअली अर्लियर ये मतलब प्राइवेट ही एक आदमी का नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा एरिया है, कई लोगों का है.
हाँ.
और यहाँ की कुछ
दो भाई है.
अच्छा, ये दो भाइयों का है.
हाँ, दो भाई. संतोष सिंह आई.
ओके.
सब में घर है.
अच्छा.
दोनों तरफ घर है. छोटा भाई का है, वो बड़ा भाई का.
अच्छा. वाह.
और वो जो है घेरा हुआ है, दोनों सम्राट का है.
ओके.
ये खाना के टंकी ना देख रहे हैं.
हाँ.
दोनों सम्राट का.
Okay. So guys, did you hear what this guy said? So first I thought that you can see this orchard, this entire plot, so huge and big. I thought that it is the government property, but as he said that no, it's not a government property. This entire plot belongs to two brothers.
Here also construction is going on. I think anything big is going to.
Yeah, and construction is going on. Fine, nice.
Go that way. I think we reached the Nolakha temple.
Okay. Now we have come to the Nolakha temple. This place is known as Nolakha temple. नौलखा मंदिर है यही है ना? ये ओके.
एक्चुअली काफ़ी बड़ा प्लॉट जो है ना, ये मंदिर को दान में दे दिया गया है.
ओके.
तो ये जो पूरा एरिया था किसी मतलब प्राइवेट ही था, लेकिन काफ़ी दूर तक उस तरफ अगर आप देखेंगे तो बहुत दूर तक की ज़मीन जो है, जब ये टेम्पल बना था तो यहाँ के साधुओं को और मंदिर के नाम जो ट्रस्ट है उसको दान में दे दिया गया है.
ओके.
तो अब वो लोग यहीं पे सेटल हो गए हैं, अच्छा खासा घर बना लिया है, यज्ञ वगैरह होते रहते हैं, तो काफ़ी बड़े स्पेस की ज़रूरत भी थी यहाँ पे. तो ऐसा ही है.
So guys, I am getting something new because I had no idea about it. तो कुछ ना कुछ.
बैंक ऑफ द रिवर.
Okay. Do you want to touch the water?
Yeah.
चलिए guys.
Like,
तो we feel like touching the Gandak river water.
though I'm scared of water, but
Okay.
I thought I came here, so
Let's.
I must touch.
Okay, let's take advantage of it. I am scared too. However, I'm going to try. Wow. So this is Sonpur, but across the river from me, that side, that is Hajipur. And यहाँ कोई मतलब और भी कोई ऐसा कोई फेमस घाट वाट है कोई यहाँ?
यहाँ सोनपुर में तो नहीं है, बट हाजीपुर में दैट साइड वहाँ पे एक घाट है जहाँ ऐसा कहा जाता है कि ऐसा श्राप है कि वहाँ पे 24 घंटे मतलब जब तक लाश जलने की वो होती है, आई मीन जो रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग, तो वहाँ लाश जलता ही रहता है, कभी स्टॉप नहीं होता है.
ओके.
तो वहाँ पे आई थिंक कभी भी आओगे देखो अभी भी वहाँ स्मोक दिख रहा होगा आपको.
क्या नाम है उस घाट का?
और उसका नाम है कोनहारा घाट.
कोनहारा घाट. कोनहारा घाट. ओके. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू थ्रू द बैक कैमरा. अच्छा हाँ, भीड़ तो दिख रही है. सो दिस इज कोनहारा घाट. इट्स नॉट विजिबल. आई कैन सी सम पीपल देयर. इट्स नॉट विजिबल बट दैट इज कोनहारा घाट. ओके. Okay. So that entire area is Hajipur, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine, fine, fine.
And that's it. Ganga is there.
Where?
Come, I'll show you.
Okay. This is Gandak river.
संगम, कॉल संगम. गंडक और गंगा वहाँ जाके मिलती है.
Hey guys, there is confluence of Ganga and Gandak. Wow.
It's little far, but
Okay, which place?
that see the Gandak is going there, then river is turning that side. That is Ganga.
Okay. जय हो गंगा मैया. Fine, fine.
तो वहाँ पे गंडक और गंगा मिलती है और गंगा उस तरफ पटना है. ये
Okay.
हाजीपुर है और सोनपुर है. तो नदी
Okay,
के किनारे.
okay. Fine, fine. Fine. So guys, this is all about this video. I believe you must have liked it. You must have enjoyed this Gandak river view. So thank you very much. See you in another episode, guys. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Stay connected.
Yeah, bye guys. Thank you guys. Stay connected. Thank you.